Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Kinky straight wig. This is how the wig pretty much looks straight out of the box. All I really did to the wig is I bleached the knots and I went ahead and I plucked the hairline a little bit. But this is the hair and its natural kinky straight texture. As you can see, it's very full, it's very thick. Like, it's just really beautiful. I've decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten the hair just a little bit because I want it to still be big, but I don't want it to be like this poofy. So I'm going to straighten the hair a little bit and make it just a little bit more sleek. y'all. I say okay y'all so much, I should probably stop saying that. Alright y'all, so these are the final results of the wig. This is how she's looking, and bitch, this wig is fire. Like, this wig is everything. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This wig is from OMGHerHair. This is the box that they sent the wig in. Super cute. So they sent me a wig cap. This one is actually a little bit too dark for my skin tone, so I won't be able to use this one. They sent an elastic band. If you want to add this onto your wig, it can make the wig feel more snug on your head. And then they also sent a rat tail comb. This is their Kinky Straight Indian Remy 360 lace front wig. Texture Kinky Straight, color is natural, hair length is 22, density is 150. It has a lace all around the perimeter. The lace color is medium brown, and I got a medium / average cap size. I really don't have much to say about this wig. I feel like it speaks for itself. It's beautiful. I feel like this is a super natural looking texture. I just love the way the hair looks. Like, it just looks so natural and so realistic. Lace on this wig is actually really nice. I didn't have much problem getting it to blend in with my skin. The wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck a little bit more. The knots were bleached, so I had to go in and bleach knots myself. But other than that, literally no complaints about this wig. I love the density, I love the texture, I love the way the hair has like a super nice shine to it, and when I flat ironed the hair, I didn't put any product in it, so this is just how it looks when it's flat ironed straight. I've tried kinky straight hair in the past, so this will be my second time wearing this type of hair texture, and it's honestly probably going to become one of my favorites because it's just so pretty. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, it is fairly affordable. So for this length, the 20-inch, it'll be $176, which I think is a really good deal for a wig of this quality. I feel so bougie with this hair and this makeup and this top. I don't know, it's just giving me real, I don't know, I just feel real cute with this hair. So that's pretty much all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out OMGHerHair. All of the links and the info will be listed down below, along with the coupon code if you guys do want to purchase this wig, which I highly recommend that you do because it's bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.